Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update accredited investor setup with Forge Capital, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your accredited investor setup with Forge Capital, begin by visiting the Forge Capital website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, click on the sign up link and complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Account Settings or Investor Profile. Click on this section to access your current information. Review your existing accredited investor status and any outdated information. Gather the necessary documentation required for verification. This may include financial statements, tax returns, or proof of income. Prepare digital copies of these documents for easy uploading. Next, locate the Update Accreditation Status option within your account settings. Click on this option to initiate the update process. You will be prompted to upload your verification documents. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload each document. Make sure all files meet the specified format and size requirements. After uploading, double-check that all information is accurate and complete. Submit your updates for review by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your update is under review. Typically, the review process takes a few business days. Once your accreditation status is updated, you will receive a notification by email. If additional information is required, follow the instructions provided in the email. Stay informed by regularly checking your account for status updates. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help Center on the Forge Capital website. You can also reach out to customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your accredited investor setup with Forge Capital is current and compliant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.